Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make images move in CapCut PC. To start, place your image onto the timeline by dragging and dropping it into position. Next, decide when you want the image to start moving. Click on the image in the timeline, then navigate to Video and Basic at the top right. Go to Transform and click on the diamond icon to add a keyframe, marking the initial position of the image. Move the playback cursor forward to progress in the timeline. Now you have the option to zoom in, zoom out, or reposition the image. Adjust the image as needed and watch as additional keyframes are automatically added to track its movement. Continue moving the playback cursor along the timeline. Move the image across the screen to create a dynamic motion effect according to your preferences. As you approach the end, guide the image back to its original position to smoothly complete the motion sequence. Preview the video to witness the image seamlessly transitioning between the set keyframes. This straightforward method adds a touch of movement to your images in CapCut PC. Thank you for following along with this tutorial.